Making money while you sleep isn't a fantasy. It's something thousands of people are doing every single day in 2025. Think about it. Your alarm goes off, you roll out of bed, and while you were resting, your income grew. No complicated schemes, no scams, just real systems that work quietly in the background. The internet has opened the door for anyone with a phone or computer to build income streams that don't depend on trading hours for money. In this video, I'll share 10 proven ways people are creating online income today. Some are easy to start, some require skill, but all of them are real. Watch until the end, because one of these methods could be the exact path you've been searching for. 10. Turn knowledge into courses. People are constantly looking to learn skills fast, and online courses have become the go-to solution. If you know how to code, play guitar, design, bake, or even manage time better, there's someone out there ready to pay to learn from you. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it simple to package your knowledge into lessons. You record once, upload, and then earn whenever students enroll. The beauty is, you don't have to be an expert professor, you just need to be one step ahead of the people you're teaching. Over time, a single course can turn into a steady flow of sales even while you sleep. 9. Build income from digital templates. In today's fast-paced world, people want shortcuts. Digital templates, like resumes, social media post designs, or financial spreadsheets, give them exactly that. And unlike physical products, you don't have to keep producing them. You make it once, and people can download it endlessly. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and even Canva's Marketplace allow you to upload your designs and reach a global audience. Imagine creating a simple budgeting template in Excel. You upload it, and over the next year, hundreds of people might buy it. That's money dropping into your account without extra work. The key is solving small but common problems. For example, a clean resume template can help job seekers stand out. A pre-made meal planner saves busy parents time. These small conveniences are worth real money. Many creators earn thousands each month just from a few high-demand templates. 8. Blogging with ads and affiliates. You might think blogging is old-fashioned, but in 2025, it's still one of the strongest ways to build online income. The trick is picking a very specific topic, known as a niche. Instead of writing about health, you could write about healthy recipes for diabetics. Instead of travel, you could focus on budget travel for students. When people search for answers, they land on your blog. Over time, with consistent content, you start to get steady traffic. Once that happens, you can place ads through Google AdSense or Mediavine. Every time someone views or clicks an ad, you earn a little. Even better, you can recommend products through affiliate links. For example, if you blog about gardening, you could link to tools on Amazon. When readers buy through your link, you get a commission. One well-written post can bring in income for years, long after you've stopped working on it. That's the power of written words online. They never sleep. 7. Print-on-demand products. You've probably seen mugs with funny quotes, t-shirts with cool designs, or phone cases with trending memes. Chances are many of those came from print-on-demand businesses. The idea is simple. You design graphics, upload them to a platform, and when someone buys, the company handles the printing and shipping. You don't need a warehouse, equipment, or packaging. Platforms like Redbubble, Printful, and Teespring do the heavy lifting. Your job is simply to come up with creative ideas and designs. For example, if you design a motivational t-shirt with the phrase, "Stay hungry, stay strong," and it catches on, you could sell hundreds without touching a single shirt. The more designs you create, the more opportunities you have to earn. Some creators treat this as a side hustle, while others scale it into a full online store. 6. YouTube automation channels. Not everyone wants to show their face on camera, and the good news is you don't have to. With YouTube automation, you can create faceless channels using stock footage, voiceovers, and simple editing. The key is focusing on topics people search for, like history facts, top 10 lists, or tutorials. Once you're approved for YouTube's partner program, ads on your videos start generating income. But it doesn't stop there. You can also add affiliate links, get sponsorships, and build brand deals. The best part, your old videos keep earning as long as people keep watching. Think about it. A video you made 6 months ago could still be paying you daily. That's like building a library of little workers who never take a break. 5. Write and sell ebooks. Becoming a published author used to be nearly impossible, but now anyone can do it with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. All you need is an idea and the discipline to put it into words. Ebooks don't have to be hundreds of pages long. In fact, short guides often sell very well because people want quick solutions. For example, a 40-page guide on how to plan a solo trip to Europe or 30 quick vegan recipes could be exactly what someone is looking for. Once uploaded, every sale goes directly into your account, and if you keep publishing more books, your income multiplies. You don't have to be a perfect writer. Tools like Grammarly and AI writing assistants can help polish your work. What matters most is delivering useful information in a clear way. Over time, your catalog of books becomes a collection of assets that pay you continuously. 4. Stock photography and footage. Photographers and videographers can turn their work into passive income by uploading to stock sites. Businesses, marketers, and creators always need fresh visuals, and they're happy to pay for the right ones. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels let you upload your work, and every time someone downloads, you get paid. Even simple photos like a coffee cup on a desk or a person typing on a laptop sell well. Once your library grows, you can earn a steady stream of sales without extra effort. 3. Remote freelancing with recurring clients. Freelancing isn't always passive, but when done right, it can create predictable monthly income. The trick is focusing on skills businesses need often, like managing social media, writing blog posts, or designing websites. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients worldwide. Over time, if you build good relationships, clients will hire you again and again. That means you can count on income coming in without constantly hunting for new jobs. Think of it as building your own small digital agency from home. 2. Subscription newsletters. Email is making a big comeback as a way to earn money. Instead of relying on ads, many creators now charge a small monthly fee for valuable newsletters. People subscribe because they trust your insights, whether it's about personal finance, business tips, or even entertainment updates. Services like Substack and Beehive make it simple to set up and charge subscribers. Even if only 500 people pay $5 a month, that's $2,500 in recurring income. And since emails can be scheduled, your newsletter can go out while you're fast asleep. 1. Building an online community or membership. The most powerful method of all is creating your own paid community. This could be a group around fitness, career advice, personal development, or any niche you're passionate about. Members pay monthly to access exclusive content, direct support, or private groups. Platforms like Patreon, Discord, and Circle make it easy to host these communities. Unlike social media, you own the connection with your audience, and your members stick around because they find value every single month. Once you set it up, the recurring payments become one of the most stable forms of income online. So there you have it, 10 real ways to earn money online in 2025, from creating digital products and courses to building communities and newsletters. None of these are quick overnight schemes, but with time and effort, they can truly pay you while you sleep. Remember, the goal isn't to try all of them at once. Pick one method that fits your skills and interests and focus on it until it grows. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical ways to build online income. And let me know in the comments, which of these methods would you try first? Because the sooner you start, the sooner you could be waking up to money already waiting in your account.